Okay guys, well I got the battery in. This one's on the wrong side and my positive off the key is a little short. So I couldn't use my friend Mikey's battery hold down that he made me. Made me a whole bunch of them too. Mimic the factory Sears ones. I was going to use it. I still got them, Mikey. So they're still here. Just one of these days. Alright, let's see. Check the oil first. Number one rule on all these old girls. And I blew all that birdseed crap out. I gotta wipe it down. Let's see. Well, she's right up there. A little dirty. But I just changed it, so. Okay. I already checked the points. The coil's good. Let's turn the gas on. And that's the battery came out of it. I got it charging. 94%, but I charged it yesterday. So, alright, let's see guys. Key on. Neutral. That's what it should crank. Let's see how it's charging the battery. That voltage regulator and Jenny is doing his job. Alright, switch works. Alright, let me hook up my meter. See what we got. Alright, put my meter where you can see it. Okay guys, I'll put you down for a sec. Alright, so that's what we got with the key on. Key off. So, let's see. And that's with the coil on. See how much it draws? about where I run this tractor, so about that RPM. So actually, I need to race it a little bit more to charge that battery. That might be my issue. Because, you know, it doesn't need to rev that high to plow. Yeah, look, that's what's all going on. There you go, so that's my issue. That's probably what it is. Because I had, when Dad restored it for me, I went through the trouble getting a new voltage regulator while we could get to it, and I had the generator rebuilt, which really turned out to be just bearings and a cleanup. Because he said the brushes were good and everything. But you see, by adding that coil, the coil is quite a draw on the electrics. So you can see how much it drops as soon as I turn the coil on. So what's happening is, out of habit, me and Dad, we both don't rev this tractor high. Because you're just plowing. If I catch... Every once in a while when I'm plowing towards the right, if I catch a little edge, just say we have trouble with this sinking. You can actually see a little bit there. The concrete pad sinks or the asphalt goes up. It used to have a big clay ball right about in the center of the pavement before when it was dirt. And every spring it'd get really spongy and weird. So I thought they dug it up, but I don't think they did because it's probably, the water table's really high in this area too, so I almost bet you $1 that is the asphalt that comes up. So regardless, the issue is I catch an edge and away she goes. You know, I don't like putting all that strain on the frame. So, but bet you that's, so we're revving it too low, and meanwhile that's what's causing the issue because, you know, I'm not charging the battery enough. Alright, well, I'll have to rev it up a little bit when we plow from now on. This battery sounds better than the other one though. I'll keep that battery, of course. Wind up using it on a tractor that we're selling or something. But there you go, Rooney. Won't be a failed cold start like yesterday anymore, I hope. So, sounds good, healthy. That's what I want. So, alright guys, well, guess I won't be able to rinse it off because it's pouring out, but I don't know if it's raining hard enough. It's supposed to get up to like 60 today, but I don't know, you tell me. Don't feel 60, it's awful damp and raw. Birds seem busy though, the little guys. So, the only ones I get anymore seems to be the cardinal, or chickadees, titmice, and the blue jays. I don't get much of nothing anymore, I don't know why. Got good food, I thought. Maybe I don't. Alright, enough of that BS. Talk to you later.